Good morning. So it is now 7:30 a.m. We just woke up. Our food's still hanging here, if you were wondering. And this is what everything looks like right now. It's a huge mess. Everything's on the floor. We did catch the mouse, so I'll show you. So we found lots of droppings up here. The mouse. But the other trap is intact, so now I don't know if there's more or not. So I will reset all the traps tonight and hopefully we catch them all. If there's more, we want to be sure before we start renovating that we got rid of all of them, and then I hope that's it. I'm just like over it. I just want to burn down the whole van and buy a new one, to be honest. As for all the stuff in the van, we keep everything in boxes just so the mouse has nothing to eat. We'll also take apart the kitchen area and rebuild it because we're gonna make it shorter for about 6 inches. We decided to go get a storage container or something because it's hard to renovate with all this stuff lying in here. So you've seen the van's a mess. So I went to Rona and bought a couple of storage boxes. And we actually rented a storage container. So we're gonna put as much as we can in there so we have space to work on the van. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know you live. Okay, so we're at the storage facility and let's see what we got. So we picked the smallest one. Hopefully we can put some stuff in.
When the van breaks down, this is gonna be our house. We're gonna downgrade.
Let's go grab some stuff.
Just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining.
So I put them on, as she said. This is how we do it. Not hair lifting, because that was super easy. Thanks for the card.
Couldn't fight if I wanted, flying to places that I never thought I could go. You're a meteor shower, falling down all over me, yeah, you're making me glow. Couldn't fight it.
Okay, so this is pretty much it. We have some golf stuff, tennis, stringer. Then we have weights that we don't use now that the gym's open. Golf balls. Then we have winter shoes, winter clothes, random like books and stuff. And then this is our boxing equipment that we also don't use because we can't really shower at home because we took it down and we're going to the gym all the time anyways. This is all the stuff that we moved away just so we can start working on van renovation. We'll keep this locker for a while and it's only I think $40 a month, so that's not too bad. Yay! So we got rid of most of the stuff and it all looks like shit right now. This is all laundry. So now we can start the rebuild. Good morning. So it is now the next day and I just woke up and checked for mice and there's no signs. I think it was just the one mouse. She was fat though, but I think it was just the one and we got rid of her. So We might give it another day just to be sure, but I think that was it. I hope she doesn't have any babies hiding around the van. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.